Hello everyone, today I will show you how to access two PDF pages position using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file and I'll send this to first pages PDF pages position. Now click on this right sidebar page thumbnail icon, left sidebar, sorry, and click on this first one and drag it down and see this. These two pages position now changes. This one first and this one second. Also I'll change this last two pages position and click this first one and drag it down and see this. And pages position now change. And also I'll change this page position and see this. In this way you can sweep two pages each other. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.